Limit as x goes to 5 of 1 over 5 minus 1 over x minus 5. The first thing we're going to do is try plugging a 5 in for each of the x's. We will have 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 divided by 5 minus 5. In the numerator, 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is a 0. In the denominator, 5 minus 5 is a 0. We have the 0 over 0 indeterminate form. We will need to rework this problem. Since this is made up of fractions in the numerator or the denominator, we will then try the common denominator method. We will need a common denominator between the two fractions that are combining with each other. That will be in the numerator here. The denominators are 5 and x. We will have a common denominator of 5 times x. I'm going to multiply the 1 over 5 with x over x. I'm going to multiply the 1 over x with 5 over 5. Each of those are a form of 1, so we're not changing the value, we're just changing the look. 1 over 5 times x over x will be x over 5x. You just multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 over x times 5 over 5 will be 5 over 5x. Again, multiply the numerators and denominators. They are now over a common denominator and can be combined. They are subtracting each other, so they will combine into x minus 5 over 5x, and then that entire thing over x minus 5. The next step here will be to reciprocate the denominator and multiply it with the numerator. We will want to write the denominator as a fraction if it isn't already. And since it isn't already, I'm going to put it over 1, so now it appears like it's a fraction. And we can then reciprocate and multiply it. That'll be our next step. That will give us limit as x goes to 5 of x minus 5 over 5x times 1 over x minus 5, the reciprocal of the denominator. We can now see the 0 over 0. It's coming from those x minus 5 factors. There's one in the numerator and one in the denominator. We can multiply them first if we want before canceling. The numerator is x minus 5 times 1. The denominator is 5x times x minus 5. The x minus 5s can cancel. That'll leave a 1 in the numerator, leaving us with limit as x goes to 5 of 1 over 5x. We can now try plugging the 5 in for all of the x's. There's only one x left over, and we have 1 over 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We have 1 over 25.